Hello people, welcome to this brand new Elementor tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you get up and running with your own e-commerce store in just less than 10 minutes. So right over here we are at the Elementor site, so we don't need hosting. I'm gonna explain in a few steps how you get online up and running. So for this we need WordPress hosting. So you can get the WordPress hosting for just $3 per month and you will get up and running. So this is amazing. If you heard about WordPress, WordPress is hosted by Elementor. That means that it is pretty easy to create a website. You can create a website in just a few steps. So in these steps, we are going to sign up. Click on create a hosted website. Right over here, I'm going to use my subscription. I'll click on create new site. Once the site is created, we are going to go back to the editor. And once we are back at the editor, we are going to edit the website with Elementor. So we are up and running in a few minutes. So this is the website right now. It's empty and ugly, but Elementor comes with an amazing theme that will let you import your store in one click. Right over here, I'm gonna go to the dashboard. I'll click on it, and once we are there, we are going to navigate to the Shoptimizer theme. So right over here, you get up and running for just a few dollars a month and you have your own e-commerce store. I will click on add theme. Now I'm going to click to the editor to Elementor. I really love Elementor. It's an amazing page builder. It's the great thing I ever seen in WordPress. I know it when it got like 12,000 installs or 10,000 installs, and now it have over 1 million installs, or millions of installs. So right over here, I'm going to go back to the site. As you can see, it's empty and ugly. But if you want to go and create your own e-commerce website, click on the dashboard and I will show you how easy this is. Click on appearance, themes. Okay, so right over here, we need to import the demo data. If you don't know what I mean, it will all be implemented your store in one click. So here you can install other themes if you want, but in this case we are going to use the Elementor WooCommerce theme. So right over here, I click on go to editor and it will bring me to the WordPress Elementor page builder editor. So this is amazing. You've never been running up and running so fast again. So if you want, we are going to import the demo data right now. So all the sites will be implemented in your site. Don't worry. If you don't know what I mean, there are a few tutorials in the description for other e-commerce tutorials. And right over here, I'm gonna go to, let me think. So once we are there, I'm gonna import the demo data. Right over here, click on appearance, import demo data, and just click on the blue button and everything will be imported. When it's done, let's see what happens. Okay, so this is your site right now. Amazing. We have just set it up our e-commerce store in like less than 4 minutes. So right over here, I'm gonna click change the text a little bit, adjust the colors. So right over here, we are gonna make it another color like black or blue, whatever you want, whatever you prefer. And right over here, you can just easily change the image to something else like this or this. The images all are included in the theme. I will also drop a lot of WooCommerce tutorials in the description if you want to go online fast. And right over here are the products. So you can add your own products. I can also show you a list with plugins that are really good to have for your dropshipping store. So if you want to start a dropshipping store, there are much plugins. There are plugins like Printful, plugins like Amazon Dropshipping, and all that kind of stuff. So the first thing that I want to show you is we're gonna delete this ugly yellow bar. Gonna look much better without it. 3, 2, 1, yes. And the logo, I will show you how you add your logo to it. Click on this and click on remove. And right over here, we are going to remove the logo. And this is looking much better in my opinion. So you can adjust everything right over here in this customizer. And we are going to create menus also. So first of all, we want to create our title. And our title is right over there. And right over here, I click on publish. And right over here, I go back. And you can just adjust everything right over there. So when I go back, we have right over here, visited site, and it's looking beautiful now in my opinion. Okay, and now I'll show you a dropshipping plugin that you can use for this site. We got a lot of dropshipping plugins. We got like Printful and a lot of things. So right over here, I'm going to search for example for, let me think, for dropshipping. And we will be navigated to the plugin. Then you can download your extension and import products from AliExpress for free. So right over here, I click on ELD Dropshipping Fulfillment for AliExpress. And right over there, when I click Activate, we just activated the plugin. And if you run through this option, you can enter your domain. And you can always contact the Elementor support to attach your domain. And right over here, when I install this extension, I'm not going to add all the products, but I show you how you add this plugin and how you import products. So right over here, I click on next. And once we are there, we are going to hit next. So, okay, after this, you will get all the products that you need. So, and we can search for products. So now you know how to fill your product with your store with a lot of products. So just repeat the process and you will get a lot of products. I advise you to add so many as products as possible because this will improve your SEO, your search ranking, and everything. So I want to thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you will subscribe and I will see you in my next video.